All right, this is JR here at the RV shop. This might very well be my favorite ATC model. This is a 2025 ATC PLA 750 3618. So that means it's 36 foot long plus another foot or so for this Gen Y hitch, and it has 18 foot of garage space. Let's go check this one out. So as I mentioned, you have a Gen Y hitch. That's new for the 2025 fifth wheel models. You're going to have two 30-pound propane tanks. You have the new MPS 6,000 watt generator. This thing can power all of your ACs, everything on here at once. And it's an inverted generator. It's going to be quieter than the previous Onan models. Making our way around, we have this one with several options added to it. This one is outside shower. That is an option. We have it put on this one. We also have the basement slide out tray. Nice thing about this slide out tray, look how far it comes out, and you can open it just like this from both sides. We have two 100 amp hour lithium batteries. All right, and we also have ours upgraded with the Truma Instant hot water heater. So if you don't have the instant water heater, it has a 10-gallon tank, but we find that our customers prefer the instant water heater. So that's how we outfit ours. For your generator, and you have an auxiliary fuel station that I'm going to show you in a minute, but you have a 36-gallon gasoline holding tank for your generator and your fuel station. We also add the exterior ladder. It makes roof maintenance a breeze when you want to get up there and check your seals and do any kind of service work you may need to do on the roof. And it just stows up out of the way just like this. On all of our fifth wheel models, we add the deck package that's in high demand, and we also add the power awning up top. So with the deck package in the patio position, which it is right now, you can have 1,000-pound weight capacity on the surface. If it's in ramp mode, as if you were loading up some of your toys, it'd be a 4,000-pound capacity. I really love the new awning feature they've added on the newer models. Make our way around. As I mentioned before, on the other side, you have an auxiliary fuel pump in here that allows you to refuel any of your toys you may have, your ATVs or even a vehicle, a Jeep you may have loaded inside. You have a nice long patio awning. Take a look at just how long that awning is. All right, so if you want to hook up your outside gas grill, you have an auxiliary propane port here for your grilling needs. Let's go inside and check this thing out. So as you walk in, you'll notice the nautical blue cabinets. You can get sandstone for your lower cabinets. You have three options. You can get sage green, nautical blue, or this sandstone color. The sandstone color is going to be in all the upper cabinets, no matter what color your lower cabinets are. Full-size residential fridge. Nice piano black color. 3-burner gas stove with an oven. I'm going to throw in a convection microwave. One of the nice things about ATC also is they build all of this stuff in-house. I mean, it is heavy-duty construction. This isn't cheap cabinets are going to fall apart. This is solid aluminum construction here. You can just feel how heavy-duty they are. Solid surface countertops. You have this countertop extension. So if you were trying to load a vehicle in here or maximize your space for toys, you can flip this down out of the way. You have your 6-foot convertible sofa. So it's in sofa mode. We can flip this over, drop these legs. I have an additional bed. Or if I need to maximize space again, I flip it up and stow it out of the way and convert these legs in. This table, you see this big 4-foot tabletop, has 4 chairs. I can stow this up completely out of the way. And so I have 18 foot of garage space from this fridge to where that deck package starts. So look just how open this the space is. This is why it's one of my favorites. It's not compartmented off and just real chopped up. It has a big open flex space. It gives you so many different ways you can use the space provided in here. So up top here, this right here is actually called sofa sleepers. And they have armrests built in, but they can come down independent of your queen happijac bed. So they can come down by themselves and become a bed themselves. So this can be a queen size bed, or I can put it out and make it into 2 couches. So that's called your sofa sleepers. And then I can also bring the queen size happijac down. So in essence, for maximum sleeping capability, you can have a queen size bunk bed set up here. And stow it up out of the way. I can, if I have something that may be a little taller, let's say I have a toy that is not going to fit. Maybe you have a little lift kit on a golf cart or something like that. You can actually have these. I can take these pins out, and these couches will stow down like this out of the way. And so you have, you know, a higher opening to bring in your toy. Come out here and let's just take a view from the deck and look inside. I mean, this is why the 3618 is so popular. It just affords you so much space for your toys. Now with the deck package, if you've never seen it opened out, each one of these gates will latch down here at the bottom, and there's actually a ladder that allows you to step up and down easily from the rear of your deck. You do have a smart TV in here, smart TV, and it is on a swivel mount. So if the folks who are in the bed wanted to take a look, you can swivel this the smart TV around. Let's go up and take a look at the new bathroom. Go in there and check this out. So you have your glass doors, your spa jet shower head. That's all new. All right, so in the main bedroom, we usually order them, and we can order them in queen or king. This particular model is going to be the queen bed, and it is on it has a retract feature, the bed, to give you a lot more usable space inside the bedroom. But with the queen, so the benefit of having the queen, it gives you a lot more storage. You have these big side tables that you can use in this one. We outfitted this one with a 32-inch smart TV in your bedroom, and it is also prepped if you wanted to do one of the all-in-one washer-dryer hookups. It is prepped for that. All right, so again, I've been J.R. Connerly. If you're interested, I want you to reach out. Call us at 225-272-8000. And I'd like to know what you think about this 3618. It's my favorite. What do you think about it?